While upon her horizon she was at his wedding, she looked around surprisingly. He was standing at the aisle while holding me on hand. He was looking so happy and stared at him and tears formed into her eyes. So he's wearing her now. After making my life hell, I will not let him do this. She walked towards him and everyone was looking at her. He looked at her with weird expressions. Shanku, is this to me? I looked at her, him heartbroken. No, this is not true. I don't know this woman. She's accusing me, he said while looking at everyone. Mine got more heartbroken. What we literally ever taught her. You're her father, are you crazy? Leon has been my fiance. He got more pissed through this crazy woman out of fear. I don't know her. He shouted at his dad. Came looked at his dad. Dad, I will do something with her if she doesn't out of fear. She's just trying to ruin my marriage. You know, I never cheated me on. Mr. Joy, you know me. Please listen to me first. Suddenly, one of the guards came towards Mr. Joy and was she's mentally unstable. She always did this to every boy, so don't worry. We're throwing her out, Mr. Joy nodded, and I don't know this crazy woman. Please try to understand her. No, don't worry. Let's talk to my own. They two went out and she looked at him while crying and sobbing. If you don't want to die, then don't come inside. They stood there to stop her. She got up and looked around and while going, I don't know what is going on now. I am here and somehow suddenly I end up here. The last thing I heard was his voice and why they acting like they didn't know me. While on the other hand, Uncle was sitting on her knees and was begging me on. Try to understand, I don't know her. She was saying that you have a daughter with her. Can you trust you after this? I'm wedding is rude now. I don't want it now. Please don't say this. Believe me. I don't know her. Let's get married. We can't get married now. Anna was sitting while staring at the paper. She was shocked and worried because she didn't understand what was going on. She didn't remember anyone's number. She didn't have a friend. She forgot about the address of her parents' house. They lived in a village. Her daughter was not with her. She was going crazy. She was left alone. She held her head while crying. A month later, he was sitting while having a hateful look. He hated Brian because of Mion left him. He became so worried. He just wanted to hurt Mion because she was nowhere. He was still begging Mion to come back, but Mion wasn't believing him. He loved Mion so much and she left him. Why she knew that you loved her, then why did you see that girl? Anyone would believe her. Just find her, I will make her life hell. He was literally in so much pain. He was clenching his face while thinking about Mion. He just wanted his revenge. While on the other hand, mine was sitting while staring at the paper. She was sitting on the road in a very bad condition. A month had passed and still she couldn't understand anything. She was living a miserable life. What was my life? Was it a dream? Maybe this is my real life. Maybe this is my dream. People of this area remember me now. I started to believe that that was my dream. I should move on. Try so many things to forget everything. But I was furniture never had a pain who praised me. Maybe this is reality. If I dream, why did I see it? Because it is affecting me so much. At night she was sitting while her eyes were closing because of sleepiness. Suddenly he stopped the car and came out. She got very flinched by his sudden arrival. He stood in front of her. Secretary saying, you are going with us. Why? Just go and do what I want. Don't ask too many questions. I will not go. He grabbed her and threw in the car. His secretary went on the floor and sat down on the couch. He was scared. Can you stop doing your drama? I'm not going to eat you. Why did you bring me here? Tell me why did you do that to me? Actually, people told me that I don't remember anything. I have an issue with my memory after an accident. So I don't know why I did that. He stared at her sadly, even though you have to make me unbelieve that you did that for money. But I didn't do that for money. I know, idiot. You just have to laugh her to save our relationship to get ruined. Make her believe you. Tell her how much I love her. Okay, when you drop her back, she got up and keep this. She looked at the money when I shook to see that. You can literally afford a small apartment now, and he smiled and she said at them silently, now let's go. So she got some money plus memory problems and my condition is not okay. In the car, when you looked at him, I was smiling. He's not that bad. He's just impulsive. And you did so much wrong with him and still he didn't hurt you. Should be thankful. I just don't know why I did that. I don't even know how I ended up there. Your medical condition is so bad. How can you live on road? I don't have a place rather than that. Otherwise, I don't want to live there. But for now, I'm dropping you at a cheap restaurant. You can live there for at least a week. It's not good to sleep on the road, she nodded without saying anything. You're innocent. Your past might be so tragic for you. It really ruins your mental health. Next day, I was sitting and waiting for Janko and Mion. She was there to say everything when he asked her, but she heard their fight. Do you have a shame? You are still my fiancé. How can you do this, Mion? He shouted, shut up if you can. If you can have a wife, then why can't I cheat on you? She's not my wife and now I can't stay in this relationship. Then don't say I'm not doing it. You deserve that for that. I don't care about your marriage with her. I don't give a damn. Still, she's better than him and he grabbed her bag and walked away. And he was burning in anger. He looked at Van and half years hours later, she entered the house with him and Minnie got up after seeing them. Beware, you a madman, and you and Van go and don't come out of the room. But why did you marry Hermione was saying that she didn't care about my marriage with Anton. She cheated on me, so I just want to show her that I also don't care about her. It was her luck that I loved her, but now she will see her downfall. Okay, but I'm unhappy. I don't know, and this all happened because of Van. I don't care three things. He ran back to the couch without caring about anything. At night, she was sitting thinking about him. Why did I always end up with him? I saw many things, and he's been with me. Suddenly, she finished as he entered the room. She got up without looking at her. He walked towards the closet and she was looking at me. Came back to changing his clothes. He looked. We wanted something and then go on it. She opened her eyes and it was morning. He was standing there fixing his hair. She sat down. Need to take a shower? I'm asking because it must be hard for you to take a shower because you live on the road. And I hated people. I take shower daily. I paid for it. He didn't say anything and walked out. He came out and he was sitting on the couch while using it. The laptop. She stopped it, took a look at her. My parents are coming today, so if they said anything harsh to you, then don't see. Take it seriously. You are the reason you cheated on me and left me. If you didn't make that class, it shouldn't happen. Right, and you are a dumb person and sorry your mistake. I knew that you have a secret wife. Now you are trying your best to cover everything up, saying that you made one out of anger. You never lost the chance to embarrass me. I'm ashamed to have a son like you. You were ready to destroy Ruben's life. Mr. J was scolding, still lying. Why don't you admit that you were married to her? Why don't tell them the truth? I know everything and you know you can't leave. Well, because I can't able to bear the tones of my friends. You left me on and not stay with her. In the room, they entered the room and she was scared. Now, are you happy? If you didn't lie that day, then I should have gotten study today. I'm so sorry, I was not in my right mind. I don't remember why I did that. We are going to a doctor with me today. Because I want to know if you really have brain injuries or not. She just stayed silent. The next day, the doctor. She was sitting on the doctor while the doctor was checking her reports. It is true that she has injuries in her head, Mr. Joy. She is in line. She has a problem of memory losing. Sometimes she forgot what she did. Is there any code? Yes. He dropped her at her home and she was sitting while training. And it wasn't a mansion. It was a beautiful. If everything changed from what she saw before, she was aware that he wasn't touched, even though she tried so many things which she ruined her. Reputation was still she didn't hurt her, and she felt like 2 months had passed. No one was sitting there looking at him and me on. They both were fighting like crazy. I have never seen such a childish man like you. She deserves this. He's a poor, ugly girl. You deserve to be with you. Meon was saying bad things to one. Shut up. You have no right to say anything bad to her, and you are ugly, not her. Just look at your extensions. They really look fake. She never talked about bad reviews. She always, but you always make, she always make fun of you. You always make fun of. You have fed up of your features. If you try to again take into convincing, and I will cross the limit. Why was shocked to seem like that? Yes, I don't think that's why I'm looking at me. She smiled and he looked at her. Why are you smiling? You are looking good. I like you. She didn't say anything. Too much. Just said us to know about his feelings. You sure and I can't make you happy. He always says this. It's okay. She understood and stayed silent. She felt and seeing his voice. She was happy that finally she started liking her. He said, wrong here, and she suddenly immediately looked at him and came, don't cancel the meeting. Why, even in every dream of mine, I remember him, he was in my dream. At night, she was sitting and was dressed up. She was looking pretty. He entered the house, but Evan was with him. Anne's face fell after seeing him because it was really Evan. She stared at him. Yeah, fine, Evan has been Auguste. For a few days, he is my friend and he will stay here. Django said, why not? She met with Evan. And they sat down. Yeah, maybe she was pretty as you. She was pretty as you. You are pretty, my son. Me, honest English, you are ugly, but you are not. I very fine, pretty. Thank you. So why did you have a crush on him? Because why did you crush his funny? You are funny, she knows. Well, what would you do if he didn't marry you? I would live a happy life. Can't you both eat silent? It's irritating. How can you live with him? It's so boring. I'm trying because it's really hard for me to live with him because Uncle looked at him disbelief. In the room, she wasn't looking at him because of the awkwardness. It's really hard to me to live with him because I'm trying. He repeated and she looked at him while smiling. I don't lie. We're different from each other, so I'm trying. We will not talk to him, but why? Because I'm saying. He was so insecure. The next day, Janko woke up and she wasn't in the room. He sat down and he got up and stayed at the room. He got up and checked the bathroom and she wasn't there. And then he heard words. He immediately walked up without changing his clothes. He came out of the shower and talking with them and was smiling. They both were standing in the kitchen and smiling. He said blood poured after seeing them. What are you doing here? Eamon was telling me about his favorite food. Yeah, I heard that she cooks. No, she doesn't. She cooks so, but if you want anything, then tell Aunt Millie. 2 days later, Van didn't talk to Evan after that. He was going back to night to meet Van. Thank you, we both look good. Van looked great and was smiling and for surprise, he was also smiling after seeing where they both walked out. She sat her peacefully. 6 months passed and the relationship between them changed. Now they were sitting while smiling. He looked at her, I love you, and she smiled, I love you too. I'm happy that you are with me. That was just a dream, and how can everything change so suddenly? Mean at first I love you and got into an accident, but I love you. She opened her eyes in the hospital and looked around herself. She smiled, not looking at the phone. He woke up, he sat and hugged her. She was looking at him weirdly because she wasn't understanding anything. The doctor said that he would not wake up. What is going on? What happened? I don't remember. When you got into an accident 2 years ago and you have been in a coma 4 years, but now you wake up, he hugged her again. So it is my daughter. What? We don't have a daughter. So did you cheat on me with me on? No, never. I'm not lying me on his bed to someone else. Mama was shocked because she really woke up. He hugged her again and those were her dreams, which she had in coma. She entered the mansion and looked around. She was back in the mansion. He was holding her hand. Her parents were there. She smiled. They welcomed her. This is the reality and now I'm feeling so real. There was no me and cheating. She held her parents and she felt so good. Everything was different from the dream and she was liking it. In the room she was sitting while looking at him. I felt so. I was coming to you, but then I saw you in conservative condition. My heart was broken. I took you to the hospital, but you fell into a coma. So you didn't cheat, no me, and ask for time to get was for me to get back with her. I never thought you would get wait for me when you left and realized that you were so important for me. I regret saying those things to you. I love you.